Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your INFINIX Note 60. So first, we want to disable and enable adaptive brightness in these settings. So let's open up the Settings app. Now scroll down to Display and Brightness, and here, tap on the adaptive brightness. Now as you guys can see, we want to turn it off and turn it on. Now once we do that, we want to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. And I'm going to be using a microfiber cloth for it, so you guys can do the same. We're simply going to swipe around the camera, as you guys can see, just like that. And now after we clean it, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and restart the phone to refresh these sensors. So we're going to press the power button only, and this will bring us to the power menu. Now tap here and tap again to restart. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now we're simply going to unlock the phone after the restart, and what we're going to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So to do that, you need to go to the settings. Now in the settings, we tap on INFINIX Note 60, and here we click check for updates. So my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because you want to make sure that you're on the latest version and that there's no glitches, including your auto brightness not working. So you can double check it here, and after you double check it, then make sure that you're on the latest version. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.